Hey everyone, it's Ben Strader here with EFI University, and I'm with my friend Tom at Turbo Resource, and today they're going to take us through the entire step-by-step process to disassemble, clean everything up, inspect it, rebuild, and blueprint this GT60 Turbo back to factory specifications. Let's go have a look.
What we have here is our GT60 Caterpillar turbocharger that has just come in from teardown and cleaning. And now we are to begin the remanufacturing processes. And what we do is we go in and remachine the A surface. We'll go in and we will remachine this area also because it has some corrosion problems. We go in on the mounting surface and we remachine that surface. There again to ensure that there's no exhaust leaks.
This here is our turn wheel that we are about to go through the processes of remanufacturing. We'll begin with polishing the bearing journals itself and bringing that back to a clean finish. We will check for shaft straightness between these points, as well as the thread run out, as well as measuring our piston ring groove width. At the end of the process, it will go into balancing for final assembly.
Next part we'll move on to is the bearing housing. Number one, we inspect the seal bore area and inspect the bearing bore. There again to make sure it is within factory tolerances. We make certain that all of the oil ports are free from carbon, so there is no plugging, and make sure that all of the mating surfaces are within specification also. Once we've finished remanufacturing this bearing housing, what we're looking for now is an inspection for finish on the bearing bore surface. So what we use is a machine called a profilometer to inspect that. And what we're looking for is a maximum finish of 20 RMS. So let's go ahead and run this, Jay, and let's see where this part comes out at. Okay, it looks like we have a 15.6 finish, which is well below our 20.
The last component in our turbocharger is the compressor housing. We will start with this one by going through and inspecting our sealing surface that mates to our backplate, as well as checking within our bore and contour of the housing to ensure that there is no rubbing, wear, or erosion. Being an internal hose discharge, we check with inside this surface to ensure that there is no erosion or wear that will create another boost leak.
Well, here we are at the end of our journey. This thing looks as good as new, probably better than new, I would say. What a cool experience watching you guys go through that entire process from beginning to end, and who would have thought this thing looked this nice. So this is something you guys would do for just about anybody that sent you a turbo, I take it, huh?
That is correct. This is what we do 100%. Whether it's a remanufactured or new turbocharger. They all go through the blueprinting process.
Well, that was a pretty cool thing for you to let us come over and watch you, and for those of you that don't know, Tom and the guys here at Turbo Resource, they supply all the turbos for us at EFI University in our classes, and now you know why. I mean, it's their commitment to detail and you know, paying attention to the little things that matters, and we're proud to be, you know, associated with you guys, so thanks for letting us come over.